in the market today as we start the week. Hormaz.
Well, if only we could have called this a Super 6. Of course, it is a Super 6 for the bears for sure. It's a 6th straight day of losses coming in for the index. But surprisingly, in a market like this, today's list comprises of 2 stocks that are gaining, that are bucking the trend. One such name that's bucking the trend is Linde India. And that too has come off slightly from the highs of the day. At one point was up 6.5%, now up 4%. At the intraday high, it was the biggest single day gain since May. It was the second best performer on the Nifty 500. Volumes were the highest in over a month as well. They had close to 90,000 shares traded on Linde India today. The 20-day average is just 4,000 shares. So significantly higher compared to its 20-day average. The stock took support at its 50 DMA and then moved above its 100 DMA on an intraday basis. And now the 200 DMA on the upside comes up to levels of 63.84. So it's still some distance away from here. And when it entered 2026, Linde India was coming on the back of 7 consecutive months of losses. The theme that has been the talking point over the last couple of days has been the capital goods names, and it's so evident in the price action as well. Hitachi Energy down 6, BHEL 5, GE Vernova 5, and the lot of other capital goods names also trading with losses of around 3 to 5% as well. If you take a look at the volumes of barring GE Vernova, both Hitachi Energy and BHEL are declining on significantly high volumes. BHEL has had over 2.5 crore shares that have been traded. The 20-day average is just under 35 lakh shares, so it's almost around 6x of its 20-day average even in today's session compared to the fall that was seen last week as well in a lot of these names. And the last name on this list is BSE, another one that's bucking the trend today. That too is slightly off the day's high. At one point was up 4.5, now holding on to gains of around 2 3/4, bucking the trend in an otherwise weak market. We've had close to 30 lakh shares that have been traded on BSE. The 20-day average is around 13 lakh shares. The stock has moved above its 50 DMA, which is at 27.20. It's still holding on above the 50-day moving average, so that level becomes the key, and as a result of which it is now above all of its key moving averages as well. And in 2025, when the stock did very well, it turned out to be the 3rd straight year of positive returns for BSE.
All right, that's about all the buzzing stocks, but